Welcome back. Deputy Collector of Mormugaon has served notices to 3 illegal constructions coming at Zuari Nagar and has seized constructions material from the site. These notices have now taken a political shape. People along with Panch members are claiming that Panchayat is harassing specific people who are supporting their opposition.
People along with Panch members have blamed the Panchayat for acting biased.
डेप्युटी सरपंच 2 पंच आयिल्ले फक्त टार्गेट कितें तूं मतांक सपोर्ट करता तूं बीजेपीक सपोर्ट करता तुमकां दाखयता म्हणून ही असली नालायकपणां आमी सहन करून घेवचे ना. आतां जर अशें जायत जाल्यार सगळे लोक जुवारी नगरच्या सकयल देंवतले. तुमी आमी इलिगल सपोर्ट करिना, बीजेपी सपोर्ट करिना, मतांनी सपोर्ट करिना, पूण आमी इतलें सांगता तेंची लिव्हिंग कंडिशन इम्प्रूव करा आनी न्यू कंस्ट्रक्शन येवपा नाका. आज रिपेर करता लोक, रिपेर करता कोण कोणाक रायट आसा चिरे बरो व्हरपाक? हे मशिनरी यूज करता, गव्हर्मेंट मशिनरी यूज करता ताका प्रेशरायज करून.
6 जाण इलिगल रूम आसा, 6 जाणांचे इलिगल धंदे करतात ते थंय तेंचेर कित्याक एक्शन जायना? आज जो पळय डेप्युटी सरपंच आसा तेजे इलिगल 15 रूम आसा थंय, 2-3 बार आसा जी भाड्याक दिल्ले आसा. तेजे ते रुमाचे दारान वचून जर आज पळयत जाल्यार 2000 चिरे आसात. ते कित्याक उबारना? हांकां विदावट प्रायर नोटीस हेंचे कित्याक चिरे उबारले? हे 3 जाणांचेरच कित्याक एक्शन घेता जाल्यार सगळ्यांचेर घेवपाक जाय. हेंचेरच कित्याक? सो हे कितें तरी तेंचे गोड बंगाल आसा तेन्ना हेंचेर घेता जाल्यार सगळ्यांचेर घ्या हेंच म्हाजें म्हणणें आसा.
Deputy Collector of Mormugaon Sabaji Shetye has refuted all the charges and said that they are not targeting specific people.
We have issued the notices. Apart from that, we are conducting the survey in the various wards. We are not targeting the certain persons, and we are going to take the actions against the illegal persons, illegal constructions.
Is there those complaints?
Now, these complaints I have received through the office of the Mamlatdar as a usual process.
Matani Saldana has blamed Panchayat for carrying illegalities in Zuari Nagar.
Whoever is in authority is the main culprit at the Panchayat level, who is collecting money, harassing, holding their necks, saying that you are a supporter of Matani, will teach you a lesson. You are a supporter of some other party, BJP, or will harass you and will teach you a lesson. And some people are saying very clearly, we don't care whoever comes, the Raj is ours, we are the rulers. We don't care for anybody, we will do what we want. And this is what they are doing, sending illegal notices, pressurizing the authorities concerned.
Saldana also informed that if necessary, they will come on road.
We have to come out, we may come out on the streets very soon. Because this is becoming too much now. It is not too much only because they have sent notices. They are harassing the people there, terrorizing them.
Our reporter from Vasco, Surendra Madkaikar.
Now news from sports. Sports Minister Babu Asgaonkar has said that he believes in declaring the sports policy only in its totality and not partially. The wait for the policy seems to be proving too tiring, and as such several sports associations want immediate action from the government, which is yet to fix up the budgetary part. The Goa Cricket Association had urged the authorities to implement the provisions that do not need funding. But Asgaonkar has categorically stated that he will not move on to find temporary solution to the matter.
Babu Asgaonkar was the chief guest at the inauguration of the National Sub-Junior Diving and Swimming Championship at Kampala on Tuesday. When asked about the sports policy, he had this to say.
Sports policy आमची तयार आसा. कळ्ळू का? डिक्लेअर करतलो आला पैसे जाय भितर. बेश्टी नावाक डिक्लेअर करपाची ना. हांगा इम्प्लिमेंटूय जावपाक जाय ते पॉलिसी. कळ्ळू का?
पण स्टुडंट्सांक पैसे विदाउट मनी स्टुडंट्सांक जे पळय यूज पळय जाय फॉर एडमिशन पॉलिसीज तो जे पळय जी कलम जी पळय आसा ती पयली तुमच्यान
1-2-3 आमच्यान जाल करपाक जातात ती. कळ्ळू का? पण कितें 2-3 करून मागीर तशेंच उरतालें. सगळें बराबर करपाक सोदता हांव ती. कारण ही मागीर फटिंगगिरी जाली मागीर तें जावपा नाका. कारण आमी घेतलेलें आहा. हांव स्पोर्ट्स मिनिस्टर म्हाजो एकच हें आहा की बाबा स्पोर्ट्स पॉलिसी गोंयकारा खातीर जावपाक जाय आनी भुरग्यांक ताजो बेनिफीट जावपाक
केन्ना जातली.
आतां ती ऑलरेडी रेडी आहा. हांव रावला पयशे हांव.
Our video journalist from Panji, Ganesh Hotkar.
Host Goa got off to a fine start at the National Sub-Junior Aquatics Championship by clinching a gold, silver and a bronze medal in diving on the opening day. Genevieve De Costa won a gold medal after Abhijit AJ had clinched the first medal for the state in the opening event. Judith Saldana picked up a bronze medal.
Sports Minister Babu Asgaonkar was the chief guest at the inaugural ceremony. He declared the meet open in the presence of the Executive Director of Sports Authority of Goa, V.M. Prabhudesai, and other dignitaries. The first day of the national championship saw keen contest in diving and swimming competitions. Genevieve D'Costa from Saligaon gave a superb performance in the springboard category to win her first gold medal at the national level. The Standard 6 student of Our Lady Rosary High School was very happy after her victory.
I feel happy because it was my first gold medal in my second national. I thank my sir, my father, my mother, and Sports Authority of Goa.
at the national level, like first time gold medal जिंकला. तुमका खूप खुशी भोगता असली. How are your exact feelings right now?
Feelings are okay, very good feelings. Can't express them much. And moreover, the coach worked more behind it. 100% support is there from my side. Even my wife has helped as well. All my work she is doing it. First gold got bagged by Genevieve D'Costa. And this girl is very superable and very hard work. A number of the repetitions you do each dive 15 to 20 times, and with coming years also she will be continue to be a gold, and she will be the after the 4-5 years she will be the number one in India. That's what I am hoping.
Abhijit A.J., silver medalist, was pretty excited after his efforts in highboard diving fetched Goa the first medal of the day. The Sharda Mandir student felt proud of his feat.
I got second place, and I know it's all because of my coach Sir Narasimhalu, who has coached me since last 4 years. I'm very proud of him.
Can we expect a gold medal from you?
I'll try my best.
Really great, you know. I mean, I have no words to explain that. It's really great. Yes, I think I should thank Mr. Narasimhalu, who is the coach. I mean, his whole-pledged, dedication. That's what, of course, the boy also, but he did the real wonder.
Judith Saldana also worked hard in the girls' springboard category and earned a bronze medal for Goa, completing a fine morning session for the home state. Our video journalist in Panji, Ganesh Hotkar.
Let's look at the headlines once again. Melissa Lewis tops SSC chart, stands first with 94.66%. Overall SSC result with a satisfactory figure of 77.12%. Manohar Parikar admitted to Apollo Victor Hospital after complaining of chest pain, under observation for next 72 hours. Chief Conservator Officer Shashi Kumar defends forest officials, says Suryakant Majik is not beaten up by forest officials. Section of Shishya Sampradaya unites against Swami, sets up Tapabhumi Bachao Samiti. Agitation till Swami steps down. For the second time in the week, Goa police received bomb hoax call. This time it is Dena Bank. And Goa divers make a bright start at national championship. Genevieve wins gold medal, silver medal for Abhijit. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media.